Eliminex. We're in Staten, New Jersey. We're just doing ground trapping. We don't do pest control in New York, but we do wildlife rescue. They're getting into the terracotta roof area, so we're just going to trap these and release them. We're going to take them to New Jersey Wildlife Ecological Preserve. We're going to take them there, so everything's done by my agreement. I don't release them in New York. I don't have any registration with any designated areas. I can release wildlife in New York, so I take them to Jersey on the way back. So we got some traps out here. It's gonna snow. It's gonna snow next couple days. This was just this morning, a little bit of dusting this morning, but it didn't melt. And I gotta check these every day, so when I catch them, they're gonna be in the enclosures, all nice and toasty. They'll survive 24 hours easily, 2 days easily. I check them every day. In the morning, check them in the early morning. I check them late night. I prefer late night because there won't be any traffic. Early morning, maybe 5 o'clock in the morning, if I have a few runs to do. So, but we verify the squirrels already caught one already. We have a video of the squirrels running along the gutters. These terracotta, there's some gaps. I got to use some fill material, and I already narrowed it down within 10 feet where they're coming in and out. So we're gonna do this for about another week, and then I'm gonna start doing the exclusion. We're gonna communicate with the homeowner if they're hearing anything anymore inside the house. But wouldn't surprise me if there's 6 squirrels this time of the year looking for shelter. All right, so far so good.